Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from sunny Margate, Florida. And again, we're doing another video on this Jeep Wrangler JL that we've done quite a bit of stuff for. Now, we've already done a couple different videos. This is video number 3. But before we get started, if you have questions, that is our telephone number to the store. Now, a lot of these things, like for example, the lift kit, I'll have a link for that at the bottom of the YouTube video. The wheels and tires is probably better just to call us regarding that. There's also a stabilizer bar in the front. I'll have a link for that. So the rough country stuff I'm going to show, I will have a link for. Wheels and tires, you have to call us. So again, that's our website over there, but I'll have all of that in the bottom of the video. So come on over here, Buddy. As you know, Buddy is our master tech here, and he's responsible for a lot of work with C&H Auto Accessories. So let's go over and just take a look. We'll start with the wheels and tires. Now, you got the Fuel Assault wheels here. Now, I will put the name of the wheels on the bottom of this YouTube video, so if you like them, you can give us a call and we'll have all the information. And then we put the Nitto's Recon grapplers here. These are all-terrain tires. These are 33 11.5s, and these are the 18-inch. I think this is a great size for this vehicle. Now, we have a 2.5-inch rough country lift in here. As you can see, the space here is wonderful. So if you are doing off-roading, you do have plenty of room to get in there. Now, again, if you go in there with the camera, you can see the rough country 2.5-inch lift. And then if you can swing the camera also, you'll be able to see the stabilizer bar by rough country in the middle there as well. Those are what I'm going to have the links for in the bottom of this YouTube video. So if you want to see pricing on those, you can click on the link. It'll take you to our website and show you all the pricing on that product. Now, again, if you need it installed, we can install it for you here. That's not a problem. Or we can ship any of this to you. Now, go ahead, Buddy, see if you can get the whole look at this. You can see the lift in here. Again, if you have a chance, we'll bring the camera back here. You can see it in there as well. But I think these are great looking tires. And being an all-terrain tire, it's not going to be as noisy as a mud terrain. The gas mileage is going to be a little bit worse than a regular tire, but it's not going to be as bad as a mud terrain. It's kind of like, it's almost a hybrid tire, but it is an all-terrain. So it's a good highway tire as well as off-road. So it's the best of both worlds. And it looks really good. I think it's a great looking tire. You got a nice traction here on the sides here. So if you're off-road, you need a little grip, you can do it. You know, the regular tires, this is all smooth, but this is designed if you get caught in some dirt or mud, whatever it is, you need to get grip, this will give it for you. And if you notice, having an 11.5-inch tire, this comes out a little further past the wheel. Now, I always like to go with a little wider tire. The main reason is it protects the wheel itself. I've seen a lot of tires where the actual wheel is flush or comes out further than the tire, which is not my favorite setup, because like on my truck, I'm constantly hitting stuff with my tire and not my wheel. And you know, my wheels are expensive and the tires can take a little bit of use. So this is a great setup. Now also, you can look here, you can see this comes out a little bit. We do have a nice negative offset on this. So you got about 2 inches past the fender. Again, wonderful look. I mean, if you have a Jeep Wrangler, this is the look you want here. I personally, I like them to come in out a little bit. You know, when you get the negative offset with the wheel here, it looks better. I think it functions better. I mean, this, if you have a Jeep Wrangler or any kind of off-road vehicle or truck, whatever, a nice negative offset, it looks good, it functions good, but it's not so far out where, because unfortunately you see the guys where their tires are out this far and it's just raining debris on the vehicle. This one's just out a little bit, not a lot, but the fenders should do a good job of keeping the truck clean, or the Jeep clean. Again, I'm really happy. We did amp boards as well on this. This is a great product. Rough Country I have on my personal truck. It's been on there probably 6 years now, and I've been very happy with it. So I think if you're looking for a good quality product, but it is reasonably priced, it's going to affect your wallet less. Just like these Recon tires. Nitto, as you know, is one of the premium tires out there. But the Recons are actually, I consider them the most reasonable tire from Nitto. But they look great and they ride great. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds. Here's a way of saving some money, but you're getting all the bang for the buck that you like. Again, any of this stuff we can get for you. Like I said, there'll be some links of the rough country stuff on the bottom of this YouTube video. The rest you will have to call us. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida, and this is a review of the rough country 2.5-inch lift with the rough country wheel steering stabilizer. Man, I'm getting tired today. With the Recon Nitto grappler tires, all terrains, with the Fuel Assault wheels. And again, I'll put all the information, all this on the bottom of the video so you can read up exactly what's done. And before I go, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with all this great new product. Thank you so much.